Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to jump pages on Microsoft Office Word. The first thing that you have to do is to open your Microsoft Word document and follow these simple steps. So to jump pages or go directly to a certain or a wanted page, the first method that we can do is with the shortcut. All we have is to click on the E5 F5 button on your keyboard. It is positioned in the top of your keyboard. All we have is to click on the F5 button. As you can see, it will pop up the find and replace window as shown here. Make sure that is selected on a page. Then all you have is to enter your page number. Let's choose the third page. We will click on go to. As you can see, it will redirect us automatically and fastly to this third page. To do it manually without a shortcut, all you have is to choose or click on the home ribbon here and then go to the editing section as uh, seen here. Then you will find a button called find. You can just click on it, or if you don't find it, just do or click with the shortcut with Control plus H on your keyboard and um, excuse me, it is Control plus F shortcut with the keyboard, and it will redirect us, or it will pop up this navigation pane. Or if we click, it will show the navigation pane. As you can see, there are three buttons here. We are interested in pages here, and we will click on it. Here, as you can see, all the pages on your document. All you have is to choose your wanted or the page that you want to select or jump to. I will choose the first page this time. As you can see, whenever I click, it will redirect us to the first page. The third and last method is by using the replace button in the same ribbon, the home ribbon, and it is positioned and located in the same editing section as the find button. We will click on it, or you can just uh, do it with your keyboard by clicking on Control plus H, and it will pop up the same as the first pop-up window. We click on Go to and make sure that you are selecting the page choice. We will choose enter a number page or a page number. I will choose the second one and go to, and as the first method, it will take us directly to the second page. So this is how you do it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.